26. If Claude AI is suddenly telling you that you've reached your usage limit, even though you barely used it today, this video is for you. Maybe you waited hours. Maybe you even stopped using Claude for several days, came back, typed something as simple as "hi," and instantly got hit with the limit again. This can be extremely confusing because you might think your account is broken, your laptop is causing the problem, or Claude has somehow blocked your account. But before creating a new account or wasting time waiting for another reset, there are several things you need to check. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to identify which limit you hit, test whether a project is causing the problem, reduce unnecessary text usage, check Claude's service status, and figure out when the problem is something only Anthropic support can fix. First, it's important to understand something. A usage limit is not always based simply on how many messages you send. Sending one short message does not necessarily mean Claude only processed one short message. Your usage can be affected by the length and complexity of conversations, the model and features you use, and the context involved in your work. So if you have a large conversation, a project with instructions and uploaded knowledge, or you're using more demanding features, your actual usage can be very different from someone simply opening a fresh chat and asking one question. Before trying random fixes, look carefully at the exact message Claude gives you. This matters because Claude can have different types of limits. For example, you may see a message related to a usage limit that tells you when access will reset. Depending on your plan, there may also be other usage limits that reset on a separate schedule. So don't simply assume that waiting a few hours will fix every problem. Go into Claude, open your settings, and look for usage. If usage information is available for your account, check your current usage, any additional usage limits, and most importantly, the exact reset time. If Claude clearly shows that you are at or near your limit, take a screenshot before changing anything. This can be useful if you later need to contact support. Now we're going to perform the most important test in this entire video. Do not open your existing project yet. Instead, start a completely new, normal chat outside of any project. Make sure you are not inside a project, there are no uploaded files, and there is no long conversation history. Then send a very simple message. For example, just type, "Hi." Now look at what happens. If the empty chat works normally, but you get a usage problem when working inside one specific project, that's an important clue. It suggests that the project, its knowledge, instructions, conversation context, or the way you're using it may be contributing to the problem. However, if even a completely fresh chat immediately says you've reached your limit, then don't assume that deleting your project will fix everything. There's another test you should perform. Create a brand new project, but this time, don't upload anything. Don't add channel data, documents, files, or huge custom instructions. Just create a completely empty project and start a new chat inside it. Then send another simple message. Now compare the results. If your normal empty chat works, and your empty project also works, but one specific project instantly causes problems, you've successfully narrowed down where the issue may be coming from. The next step is to inspect that project. Claude Projects can contain uploaded documents, text, code, knowledge, and custom instructions that are used while working within that project. That means projects are extremely useful, but it also means you should organize them carefully instead of putting every file, script, instruction, and piece of information into one massive workspace. If one particular project appears to be causing the problem, don't immediately delete everything. Instead, inspect what's inside it. First, check your project instructions. If you have extremely long instructions containing pages of rules, examples, scripts, channel information, and formatting requirements, simplify them. Keep the instructions focused on information Claude actually needs to know every time you work inside that project. Next, review the files and knowledge inside the project. Remove duplicate files, old drafts, unnecessary documents, repeated information, and large files that you no longer use. You should also consider splitting one giant project into several smaller, focused projects. For example, instead of putting everything related to your entire YouTube business into one project, you could separate your channel strategy, video scripts, SEO research, thumbnail ideas, and technical troubleshooting content. This makes your workspace easier to manage and helps keep each project focused on the information relevant to the task you're currently working on. You should also start a fresh conversation when switching to a completely different task, instead of continuing one extremely long chat forever. Another thing many users forget is that Claude usage may not be isolated to only one page you currently have open. Depending on the plan and Claude services you use, activity in other connected Claude tools or sessions may also be relevant to your available usage. So if you use Claude in more than one place, check whether there is other activity connected to the same account. Don't judge your remaining quota only by how many messages you remember sending in one browser tab. Now, if everything looks normal on your side, but Claude is suddenly showing unusual errors or usage problems, check Claude's official status page. Anthropic can occasionally experience service incidents, degraded performance, or problems affecting specific features. This doesn't mean every usage limit message is caused by an outage. But if lots of users are experiencing problems at the same time, deleting your projects, clearing your browser, or creating new accounts probably won't solve the actual problem. So before making major changes, check whether Claude is currently operational and look at any recent incidents. Now here's the important part. Suppose you have waited until the displayed reset time, checked your usage information, started a completely fresh normal chat, tested an empty project, reviewed your project knowledge, and checked Claude's service status. And Claude still immediately says you have reached your limit before you can meaningfully use it. At that point, repeatedly typing "hi," refreshing the page, restarting your laptop, or creating more and more projects is unlikely to identify the cause. Instead, document the problem. Take screenshots showing the exact error message, the date and time, the displayed reset time, your usage information if available, whether the issue happens in a completely fresh chat, and whether it also happens inside an empty project. Then contact Claude support and explain the timeline clearly. You can describe the issue like this. My Claude account shows a usage limit error immediately after the reset period. I tested a completely new chat with no project, no uploaded files, and a very short message. The same issue continues. I also tested an empty project and checked the displayed usage information. Please review whether there is an account-side usage or quota issue. Keep your report simple and factual. Include screenshots. And most importantly, mention whether the problem happens outside your original project. That test can help support understand whether the issue is connected to a specific project or whether the account itself is being affected. So, if Claude says you've reached your limit immediately after barely using it, don't panic and don't start randomly deleting everything. First, check the exact usage limit and reset time. Then test a completely fresh chat outside your project. After that, create and test a completely empty project. If only one project causes the problem, inspect its instructions, files, and knowledge. Remove unnecessary content and consider splitting a massive project into smaller focused ones. Then, check whether other Claude activity may be contributing to your available usage, and check Claude's official status page for any current problems. Finally, if the issue still happens in a completely fresh empty chat after your displayed reset time, collect screenshots and contact Anthropic support because the problem may require an account-side review. If this video helped you figure out why Claude is instantly hitting the usage limit, leave a like and subscribe for more AI, software, gaming, and tech fixes. And if you're experiencing this exact issue, comment below and share whether the problem happens in a completely fresh chat or only inside a specific project.